everybody, today I'm going to give you a wee activity called code words. It's a way of generating questions for doing addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Have fun with this. Here's code words. So for code words you need to start off with your code. Here I've created myself a grid with the vowels A, E, I, O, U and given them all multiples of 10. 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. I've then got the letters B, C, T, N and R. You can choose whatever you want. And I've just put in some numbers here as well. An 800, 900, 85 and 6. All you do then is make up words from the letters that you have. So you might decide to do something like, oh, I'm going to do bet, add car. And that would be 800 for the B, 40 for the E, and 8 for the T. Add car would be 930, the R 6. And then you can work out that question. Or you could do something like on multiplied by it. That question would be 60 for O, N is 5, 65, times it, 50 and 8, 58. You could do something like bin divided by N. So bin would be 855 divided by 5. You could do cat divided by R, which would be 938 divided by 6. This is a good way of just creating lots of different questions in a bit of a different way. So enjoy code words.